Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial how to tie on a Palomar knot to your jig heads, your lures, terminal tackle, swivels, whatever you need to tie on the end of your line. Really strong knot, works well with mono, fluorocarbon, and also braid. So we're going to jump right in it. I got some 20-pound leader material, and what we want to do is we want to go through the eye of the hook. Okay, pull you about 10 inches or so. Then all you're going to do is you're going to double back through the eye, same way you came out of it. You're going to go right back through it that way, just like that. So you end up with a loop on one side, the other side will be your tag in and your main line. And at that point, what you're going to do is you're just going to do a simple overhand knot. And you're going to take the loop and go through to create your overhand knot. Now you can take that loop and go right over your jig, your lure, your terminal tackle, just go all the way around it. Okay, now your loop's back up. You see I got my main line, my tag, and here's the loop that I just passed over the jig. At this point, we're just going to lubricate this right here. Give it some lubrication. I'm going to use some saliva. I'm just going to lick my fingers. And we're going to slide that on right there. Lubricate all that. Now we can just pull it down. Let your tag in go. Pull your main line. Tighten all that down. Grab your tag and pull it. Make sure you're snug up. And go ahead and cut that off. Can leave you just a little bit on there, or you can even cut it shorter than that if you want. That's your Palomar's knot. Super strong knot. Great for all your terminal tackle, your lures, and all that. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you again.